Alright, so it's Monday at 6 p.m. We're going to try a new face mask. I don't know if I've tried this one before. It's called St. Ives Glowing Sheet Mask Apricot. That's what it looks like. And it's like you leave this on for 10 minutes, so it's a quick one. A little bit of an apricot smell. Pretty wet. So wet it's dripping. A little cold. It's in the refrigerator. Feels good though when it's cold. I like it when it feels cold. Alright guys, I just put my face mask on just for 10 minutes. And I want to try this jade roller for you guys. One of my subscribers, Happy, gave this to me. And this is called a jade roller. So jade is a crystal, if you guys don't know. So jade, it helps with, so if you're into crystals, jade helps with anxiety and fatigue. And it also helps protect negative energy. This is a jade roller. Basically what you do now, some people put oil on their face first. I did wash my face first, but some people put oil and then they go up. If you go up, it helps with the circulation on your face. But I saw a video today and somebody used this on over a face mask. I thought I'll just give that a try. It sounds really cool because they're doing two things in one. So what this does, it helps with circulation. It's kind of like a face massage. It helps with fine lines. So you want to keep this cold. I did have it in the freezer for the last 30 minutes to prep it up for you guys. And basically you just roll upward. But it feels really good. This face mask is cold. This is cold. Oh wow, it feels really good. I mean, and so how often should you do this? Some people do it 30 minutes at a time as they're watching a movie. When I would search YouTube, somebody was like saying just do 3 times each section, but I guess the more the better. So you're just basically doing up. I don't know why. This feels really good with the face mask. I've done this before with this oil, but I really like the combination with the face mask. This feels really good. I like this a lot. So this is under the eyes. Go up like that would be better. So you just want to go up. It's gonna help with any fine wrinkles. It's gonna help, you know, give you a little face massage, helps with blood circulation. So I'll probably do this for about 10 more minutes and get back to you in 10 minutes. All right, it's been out 15-20 minutes. It felt like the oil from the face mask really sinked in. My face looks really good. Just an average face mask. I don't think it's a special face mask. It's not like from a good company or anything like that. But right now I'm just rubbing excess oil in my face or on my face. But yeah, the jade oil, that's what you use it for. It's just to help with, you know, fine lines and increase circulation in your face. And you can use it with oil on your face. You can use a face mask and then you can do it. It's my first time ever using it on the face mask and I do like it. So yeah, I might try that again. So thank you, Happy, for the jade roller. I wanted to show everybody what you got me. I know you asked about it and I wanted to let you know. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for dinner tonight. I was thinking about making this. All I need to do is add ground beef, water and milk. And I have some salad. I don't know if I have any vegetables, but it might be good with some salad. This is only $1.25 at Safeway. Or the tacos. Now I'm doing that June collab with Swabi Boone and Dulce Fude, and the next week is tacos. I want to get out of the way. I wanted to film the taco video as soon as possible in case I get busy. I already didn't feel like tacos, but I also have. I'm meeting a friend this week, and I might see my sister this week, so it's like I have a busy week, so I may not have time to do the tacos, but I don't know yet. Whatever, I'm not really super hungry now, but whatever I'm craving. I feel like I should make this tonight. I don't know. All right, guys, it's Tuesday around 12 p.m. I'm at the post office. I want to see if a subscriber said he sent me a package. He's been asking about it. So I finally went to the post office. So when you guys send a package, just like, it might take a couple of days for me to get to the post office because I'm busy. But I am also going to mail off 2 bills. I owe my, the office where I do Reiki, I have to pay rent. So, and I also have to pay my rent for my studio apartment. I know it's a couple of days late, but it's all good. All right, let's see if we got that package today. All right, I got the package, guys. So yeah, so I can't wait to see what's inside. I think that I will do a live tonight. I think he wants me to do a live. I feel like Chinese food, even though it's super gonna be hot today, so I'm either gonna eat outside or just eat inside with my air conditioning on. But right now, I am craving a Jack in the Box. It's like a regular cheeseburger and some iced coffee. I decided to order Chinese food. I just called them. It said it'd be about 15 more minutes. This is actually my first time going to a restaurant during the COVID. Usually I just get fast food in the drive-thru, so that should be interesting. Not really interesting, but different. Yeah, I haven't been to a restaurant. Actually, I haven't been to a restaurant since the COVID. It's not interesting. Someone do a live video because I got a subscriber sent me a gift and he wanted me to open it in my next live, so I figured I might as well just do Chinese food. Is super hot today. On the Yelp pictures, people were saying they got free egg rolls. Maybe that's if you dine in. So I asked the guy, there's no free egg rolls, darn. This place is a little bit more expensive than the other Chinese restaurants. It's like some of the items are like, it's like over $10 for an entree, or 10 or more. Another place was under 10, but they were closing early tonight. I didn't want to take a chance and drive there and not make it. This place got good reviews. I think me and my friend Jean went here one time. But I got the sweet and sour pork. I wanted something different than broccoli beef. I always get that. I got shrimp chow mein, and I'm getting an egg roll. I think that's gonna run me a little under $25. It's kind of expensive, but. All right, so it's Wednesday around 7:03 p.m. Here's my dinner. Just a little salad with French dressing. This is some leftover Amy's pizza. It's like a spinach veggie pizza. And that is my dinner tonight. All right, Thursday night at 9:45 p.m. I got a couple of items from Walmart. Got some cherry Pepsi. I love cherry Pepsi. I was low on this mild sauce, so I got Taco Bell. Got that. This is kind of expensive, but I love Rose. This is a Rose scent hand sanitizer. It's $1.99 for this little one. I know it's expensive, but I don't know. I really like Rose, so I bought one. Couple of candy bars. This is pretty good. I didn't know this was white chocolate. I had half of it. I really like regular chocolate, not really white, but whatever. And Almond Joy. And this is new. I thought maybe I could do a video one time on this new Pillsbury Funfetti complete pancake mix with candy bits. That's kind of a fun video one day. Low on mayonnaise. So I got mayonnaise. That's pretty much it. Just a few items at Walmart. All right, so today is Saturday around 11 a.m. Today is more like an errand day. Right now I'm at the laundromat and I just put my clothes on the laundromat. So now I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and maybe Safeway, maybe the dollar store too. So it's my first time going to Trader Joe's in a while because I've been trying to avoid the lines. I know there's gonna be a long line, but I have some time today to wait in line, and there's some stuff at Trader Joe's I really want to get. So I really like the Trader Joe's organic grass-fed beef. I'm hoping they have that there. If not, I'm going to go to Safeway to see it. I'm a little bit low on beef. I also want to get some Asian sauce. They have some really good Asian sauce there. A little spicy, but it's really good. And also some veggie burgers. Oh, actually, quite a bit of stuff. Might be a pretty big haul, guys. All right, just came back from Trader Joe's. I got 2 bags. They're about 2 bags are about half full. Let me show you what I got. Okay, I got some lettuce. And this is called Philly cheesesteak aisle buns. They look really good. Maybe for my next Asian dish, I can have that as a side. It looks really good. And I got my favorite veggie burgers. These are so good at Trader Joe's. I've been missing them for a while. some hash browns. I got some fresh cut mangoes. That looks good. I might have this for my breakfast tomorrow with like eggs and bacon or something like that. Speaking of bacon, I got some uncured apple smoked bacon. That looks good. So I got some cookies. These are called peanut butter carbo cookies. I was like, that looks like a lot of peanut butter. It looks really good. So I got hungry and I was eating them as I was driving. And let me show you. First I opened them. They kind of came cracked a little bit. Some of them are just cracked. I don't know why. But this part right here is really good. Like the outer part, it's really crunchy. Really good. Light. Now this is the peanut butter. Peanut butter is literally straight peanut butter, guys. I thought it'd be like sweetened and it's not. So it's good, but I was hoping this peanut butter would be a little bit sweet. This is strictly straight peanut butter, but it's all right. Got some corn tortillas. I'll be making tacos soon. So these are really good at Trader Joe's. I got some instant coffee packets. So sometimes at work, I don't think they're serving coffee anymore for a while. And I never bring any creamer to work. So this includes creamer and sugar. I might try it out. Give me low on this. So this is 21 seasoning salute. It's great on burgers. Great. I'm also out of this stir fry sauce. This is really good with Chinese food and stir fries. And the last thing I got was some honey with honeycomb. One of my subscribers noticed I was having this cough and it never went away. It actually did go away, but it came back. She says honey is good for coughs, and I did research. It is good for coughs. I was hoping to get some Manuka honey. I didn't see any. So I got this honey. It looked really good, so maybe that will help me with my cough. And yeah, so I'm probably going to make a little cheeseburger for my lunch today with this great organic beef. All right, so here's my little cheeseburger. It looks really small. I'm not really that hungry for lunch, so I don't want to have like a little cheeseburger. So it shrunk a lot as cooking it. I started by with mayonnaise, ketchup, lettuce, tomato, onion, and a little there's avocado too. All right, it's later in the day. I'm gonna try this instant coffee. This is what it looks like. I guess you pour it into a cup. Then you add 4 to 6 ounces of hot water. So we're gonna do that right now. In case you're curious, that's what it looks like. And it says add 4 to 6 ounces of hot water. We'll start with 4 ounces of hot water. If I need to add more water, I will, but we're starting with 4 ounces. It's definitely not that much in there. So, it actually smells pretty good. So I'll try it real fast. It's good, but for me, it's a little sweet. So I want to add a little more hot water, thinking maybe it will make it less sugary or less sweet. Okay, that does a trick. If you add more hot water, it definitely makes it less sweet. So yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, so I could take this to work. A lot of times in the afternoon at work, I get sleepy, and coffee always perks me up. So yeah, this is a great idea. It's a good product, guys.